Hello and welcome to Super Profit Club channel. In this video, I am going to talk about technical analysis. Don't be scared of technical analysis. The moment you hear this term technical analysis, you think it is very difficult and you get overwhelmed, and maybe you will say, this is not my cup of tea, right? Okay, so my name is Sumit Gupta and I'm the founder of Super Profit Club, and I've been trading in the stock market for more than 15 years and have been trading successfully in swing trading for about 11 years. And I trade in the stock market, I train people, I coach people, and I help people become successful in the stock market, how they can use swing trading to be their vehicle to the financial freedom. Okay, so in this video, I picked up one topic which is which a lot of people do not, they just want to be away from, right? Technical analysis. Now, the word technical and then analysis is scary. Yes, I know. It's scary like maths. जब हम स्कूल में होते थे, when we were in the school, I was very afraid of maths. I was never ever a good student, and in geometry, I never understood. And when it came to those sine theta, cos theta, etc., I never, trigonometry, I think that's what it was called, and I could never ever understand that, right? That is why when I heard the term for the first time, technical analysis, I was scared to the hell, to be very honest. And when I jumped in the stock market and somebody told me, you'll have to learn technical analysis. Okay, I said, technical analysis? No, this is not my cup of tea. They said, no, it is only understanding the patterns, understanding this thing. I wasn't even open to learn or open to understand why technical analysis nahi karna hai yaar, bas nahi aata hai. However, somebody invited me to a seminar, and then I learned a little bit about technical analysis, and then I said, oh, this is not something that you have to be scared of. Okay, now see, first of all, you have to understand that everything seems difficult before you have learned it, right? Before you have known about it, right? It seems difficult. Okay, first time when you have gone for swimming, it would have been difficult. First time when you would have tried to drive, it would have been difficult, right? That accelerator, brake and clutch, ABC, seems like easy, but you were scared. But today you don't think about that, right? It becomes easy. So same thing is about technical analysis also. Everything can be learnt. We did not know anything. When we came into this world, the only thing that we knew, I think, was to cry for food or whenever we were hungry, right? We did not know anything about anything, but we learnt over a period of time, right? Now, if you're watching this video, that means you've learned how to run a smartphone, how to operate a smartphone, maybe a laptop or a desktop, or how to connect to internet, right? Or how to operate YouTube channel, right? So everything can be learned. Okay. Now, what is technical analysis? I'll try and explain it in very simple terms. So technical analysis is nothing but it is the study of the history of a particular stock or share, or any commodity or any currency or any futures, whatever. So basically you study the history of the price movements in a particular share or stock, and you try to identify repeating patterns. Simple. So technical analysis, you have to just look at the history of the prices, how they have moved, right? And you have to learn some chart reading, but that chart reading is again what it is, again understanding patterns, right? And what are patterns? Patterns are, if this happens, this is going to happen. If this happens, this is going to happen. Those are called patterns. Now let me give you a very simple example in terms of what is technical analysis going further. It is actually knowing your share well. You have to understand the history of that share that you want to trade in very well. That's it. And when you study the history, you will see certain patterns emerging again and again, and those patterns will repeat. That's it. That's all about technical analysis. Don't be afraid. Like, I'll give you an example. So thousands of people. Okay, there may be thousands of people in your contact list, but you may know 100 whose name or face you can recognize, right? And there may be 10 to 12 or 15 people that you know very well, Okay, these could be your relatives, could be close friends, could be your family members like kids or wife or spouse, maybe your parents or your siblings. So that, like that, right? 10 to 15. Now, because you have stayed with them for a longish period, you have observed them for a good period, right? So you know how when a particular situation comes in, okay, when a particular situation comes in, how they behave, right? Now, what is this? This is their pattern of behavior, right? If they are in this situation, 9 times out of 10, they are going to behave like this, right? That's a pattern. That's a pattern. So similarly, when you go through those 10, 15 stocks that you shortlist, as I recommend, know them well. Go and study their history. Look at the patterns forming on the chart. How many times the number of days are repeating? How many times the price is repeating? How many times the same level is repeating? How many times the range is being repeated, right? So when you understand that, that's all technical analysis. It's very easy. It is very easy, just like reading people, right? It is just like knowing some people. Simple. So you don't have to be scared of it. Give it a try. Unless you give it a try, how would you know whether it is difficult or it is easy? As I said, everything is difficult till the time you attempt it. डर के आगे जीत है, right? तो उस डर को हटाइए. Don't be scared of technical analysis. Learn how to do the technical analysis, what technical analysis is about, and if you want to know and learn more about technical analysis and how you can become a pro in this, you can join one of my programs. The link to which are given in the description in this video below. Like, subscribe and share, and join me for one of my webinars if you want to learn about swing trading and how it can be your vehicle to the financial goals achievement, right? So I wish you all the best, and look forward to meet you in one of my events. More power to you, more profits to you, and don't be scared of the technical analysis.